Hello ladies and gentlemen and welcome to this video. Need to convert a file from one format to another? In this video, we show you how to use the online tool file-converter.org to quickly and easily convert your documents, images, audio, and video files by using the web-based file converter at file-converter.org. Whether you need to turn a DOCX into a PDF, a PNG into a JPG, or an MP4 into an MP3, this free web tool can handle it. We'll walk you through the simple, step-by-step process from start to finish. No software install needed. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to upload your file or files to the converter, how to choose the exact format you want to convert your file to, how to start the conversion process, how to download your new file safely and easily. This is a fast, simple, and free solution for all your file conversion needs. Why use an online converter? No software to install, work straight from your browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc. Massive format support, converts over 1,100 file types, including documents, PDF, DOCX, PPT, XLS, ODT, RTF, images, JPG, PNG, WEBP, HEIC, GIF, SVG, audio, MP3, WAV, M4A, FLAC, OGG, video, MP4, MOV, AVI, WMV, MKV, ebooks, EPUB, MOBI, AZW3, and many more. Fast and easy, the entire process takes just a few clicks. It's free, perfect for quick, one-time conversions. Thanks for watching this video. If this guide helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, and I hope to see you for the next video.